Creations Misfit, and today I'm going to show you how to increase and decrease with a single crochet. Now some of your patterns will call for a single crochet increase, which is really simple. I've done some single crochets here already for you. So let's just say we're going into our regular single crochets, and then they call for the third or fourth stitch to be a single crochet increase. All you're going to do is go into the stitch like normal and do one single crochet, and then you're going to go into that same stitch, the very same stitch that you just went into. You can see here, you're going to go in and do another single crochet. And that's it. That's how you increase. If it calls for increases all the way across, then you'll do 2 in each. Otherwise, sometimes it says do, 2 single crochets and then a single crochet increase. So then in this next stitch, you would just go in like normal for your single, do 1, and then do 2. And that is your single crochet increase. And what that does is just increases your work. So if you're working on something that needs to get bigger as you go this way, it will increase your work that way. A lot of times with hat patterns or something that you work in the round, you'll find increases and decreases so that you can decrease the top of the hat or increase the sides of the hat. Now for a decrease, it's very simple as well. We're going to do single crochet decrease here. So let's say your pattern calls for a decrease now. What you're going to do is go in like a regular single crochet, yarn over and pull up your loop. And then before you yarn over and pull through like a normal single crochet, you're going to go into the next stitch as if you were doing another single crochet. Go into the stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop. And now you have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 3. And what that does is pull 2 stitches together so that you can decrease your project. Like I said, if you're working in the round and you want to decrease going up to the top of the hat or something like that, then that's what you would do. So let's do another one. For a decrease, if it says single crochet decrease, you're going to go into the first or the next stitch available, just like a normal single crochet, yarn over and pull up a loop. And now normally you would yarn over and pull through here, but what we're going to do is go into the next one so that we can pull 2 stitches together, go in like a normal single crochet, yarn over and pull up a loop, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 3. And that's your decrease. So for an increase, you go into the same stitch twice. For a decrease, you go into the first stitch, yarn over, and then into the second stitch, yarn over, pull up your loop, and pull through all 3. So that's how you increase and decrease with a single crochet. I'm also going to show videos on how to increase and decrease with a half double and a double, which are very simple as well. So I'll put those links in the description box below. And if I've given you some help, please feel free to leave a comment and a like and a subscribe. I'm just getting started on YouTube, so I can use all the help that I can get, and I would like to know if this video helped you. So thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.